Hello, everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you. It's around 6:15, somewhere up in that here. I've been up for a while, since about 4:30, doing what I do. Those of you who follow me on the Black Voice channel on Facebook or Twitter or whatever, you're aware of the fact that my existence is somewhat complex. In addition to running several businesses, I put a lot of energy and effort and time into the Odyssey Project, which is my instrument for reaching into the Black community and being an asset. It encompasses a great deal of academic and scholarly research, the representation and representing of that research, the findings in those research, the development of programs like Black Men Lead, Music is Life program, the Black Empowerment Initiative, working with my wife with Restoring Ghetto Forgotten Daughters, also supplying tons and tons of content and information that is free on our site at the Odyssey Project for Blacks to go in and access. You've also seen a total of 21 books, much of which impact the Black community in one way or another, several directly pointed at the enigmatic issues within the Black community. I do this consistently alongside of the work I do to run my businesses. And you know that we've been in the midst of a fundraiser. You know that we've done it for a while. And I was just talking to my wife, and we were looking at, how well, or in the converse, actually, how poorly we've done in the fundraiser. And there's a lot of reasons for that. I try not to get emotionally involved in what's going on and things I don't control. That's one way to really stress yourself out and get caught up in things. We are consistently doing the work. We try to share as much as we can. Again, you guys know I'm not real big on photo ops, especially with kids, but I've shared that with you. Some things we've done with lock-ins, courses and training, direct engagement. I've shared a little bit of that with you just to show you what we do, how we do it, what role I play in it. The videos are definitely on the channel, so you can check that out. You can also go to the site and just see a bunch of what we do. But what we need is support. I'm going to be doing more of these short videos to enlist your support. We need financial support. We need people with specific and special skills that could serve the Black community, that are willing to volunteer their time until we're in a point and place where we can actually pay. That's just the reality of where we're at. I definitely need help in a number of different reasons. This new program that we're working on for mental health resources, creating a national network, I need as much help as possible in that. All of my mental health professionals, all of my organizers and project managers, I need as much help as possible. We're losing too many of our teenage boys. We have too many of our women who need help, but we are definitely suffering when it comes to mental health with our men. And these young kids are losing it, and it's our responsibility. So I need help with that, but we definitely need support in this fundraiser. So I'm putting this out there. I'm putting it in the wind. I'm going to consistently, you're going to hear from me more frequently on this. Yes, people are lighting a fire under me because they know how I am. I believe, I have this mindset that, hey, you go out there and you do what you can. You ask people for help. Those that will, those that won't. And then I get frustrated and I just step back and stop asking. About a year ago, I made a promise, a little over a year ago, the end of 2018, I made a promise to my wife and to the people that work with me that I would be more consistent in seeking help and not trying to do all this on my own. I think I did better last year, but I'm going to be more committed to doing it this year because I'm responsible for so much outside of the work I do in the community, and it's starting to show. And so I'm going to do everything I can to right this ship as quickly as possible. Again, I ask for your support. go to the site if you have any questions. If you're new and you have any questions to what we do, go to the site, check it out, watch some of the videos. But everything that you get, that you see, that's presented here, comes from the work and energy and effort and research that I put in, that I've been doing for over 30 years now. And it culminates into the different content, different types of content that I distribute, whether it's written, whether it's spoken, whether it's podcast, whatever it is. And I share it freely, except for when I write books. Obviously, those have to pay for themselves. But I give you plenty of free content on this site, a ton of free content on the website, and I'm all over the place, giving what I can. I haven't charged for a lecture. Not in the Black community. I've given a few, but I've never charged. Anyway, that's that. We need your support. And once again, thank you.